Looking to make the most of your summer? The Palm Beach pool might just be what your backyard needs. Not only is the Palm Beach perfect for those seeking a comfortable spot to swim and chill, its compact size makes it a dream come true for nearly any outdoor space. Whether you're envisioning it nestled in an enclosed backyard, surrounded by lush landscaping, or favoring a more minimalist vibe, the choices are endless. Here's the best part: thanks to its petite dimensions, upkeep is super easy. Juan Pools specifically recommends this fiberglass gem for those who crave the perks of a pool without the grind of heavy-duty maintenance. While you'll still keep an eye on your pool chemistry, it's all made simpler, leaving you more time to indulge in that summer escapism. Remember, a backyard is more than just an outdoor space. It's a sanctuary, a retreat. And with Palm Beach, it's all about living the summer dream. Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.